Want to get more YouTube views, especially from countries like the US, UK, and Canada? These are the audiences that not only boost your views and subscribers, but also skyrocket your revenue. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can target those regions and grow your channel faster in 2025. No paid ads, no fake traffics, all organics. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share tips, creator hacks, and easy strategies to help you get more views naturally. So if you're serious about growing your channel, hit that subscribe button and let's jump right in. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to choose the right topics for global audiences. So the content you make decides who watches it. If your videos are about something only locals understand, YouTube won't push it globally. So to attract viewers from the US, UK, or Canada, you need to choose universal topics that people everywhere can relate to. So you need to focus on the global interests such as tech, AI tools, tutorials, lifestyle, maybe motivations, or creative content, because these topics perform way better internationally. And the next step, you need to optimize the titles, tags, and also descriptions. So YouTube algorithm decided where to recommend your video based on your title, description, and also tags. So if you want views from US or UK, you need to make sure you are writing in natural English and use their spelling style. So for example, instead of saying how to use AI tools easily, you could write best AI tools for beginners in 2025. So it's free. So this kind of phrasing hits globally. And the next steps, don't forget to change your video settings to target these regions. So here's something most creators don't know. You can help YouTube understand your audience by changing your metadata and upload settings. So in your video settings, you need to select US or English as your language, and also add subtitles in English that will help YouTube show your videos to non-native viewers in the US and UK. And for locations, you can leave it blank or set it to the United States, not your local country. Next steps, thumbnails and style matter. The US and UK viewers scroll fast, so you need thumbnails that are clear, bold, and emotion driven. So you need to avoid too much text. You need to use 2 to 4 words maximum, and make sure your face or main subject stand out. Also, study big creators in your niche from the US or Canada. Look at their thumbnails color, expression, and fonts, then adapt them for your style. And last steps, boost watch time with intros and also chapters. The YouTube promotes videos that keep viewers watching, so if you hook them in the first 15 seconds and keep them pacing fast, you'll get recommended more in high-income regions. So you need to use chapters and timestamps because US audiences love organized content. And once YouTube sees that your videos keep people engaged, it will push it into similar audiences, especially in those top-tier countries. So that's how you can get more views from the US, UK, and Canada. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!